one thing my mom did not like was when I would yell for her from a different room. And it's not really my favorite thing either, because it's not the best way to communicate, you know? And I think it's a really good illustration of what we do sometimes when our kids are having big feelings. Like, you're over there in the logic room, in the prefrontal reasoning room, yelling for your child to come out of the emotion room. But you might need to get your butt up and go over there into that limbic room with them, okay? So yesterday, the 6-year-old was really upset because her friend couldn't go to the beach with us. And she's just like, this is not fair. She never can come with us. I never get to hang out with her. And she's crying. She's sitting on the floor and she doesn't want to move. And I'm all in the logic room trying to get her to come over and understand. And I'm like, oh, there'll be another day. You do get to hang out with her sometimes. Maybe we can call your cousin and see if she wants to go. Just logic, logic, logic. And there was nothing wrong with what I was saying, but it wasn't effective because she was in a different room. And so her 11-year-old sister just reached out her arms and said hugs and pulled her sister in. And she said, I'm sorry. Do you want to get on my back? And then she just piggybacked her out of the house. And when we were in the car, the 6-year-old was just like, let's see if my cousin can come. And I was just sitting there like, duh, like that is co-regulation. Like the 11-year-old was not thinking about the time. She wasn't panicking. She wasn't trying to rationalize. She just saw that her sister was upset, offered her her presence, and then playfully helped her transition to the car. And so the next time you are trying to lecture, yell, force your child's feelings away, I want you to ask yourself, am I willing to step into the emotional room and be fully present with them and dip my toe into the emotional waters for just 2 minutes? Just start small. Start with 2 minutes and see what that brings to the moment, as opposed to you trying to rationalize and reason with them when they're in emotional states. Follow me in Jai Institute for Parenting for more videos like this.